Maraming salamat, Mark, sa iyong pagtanggap sa amin dito
Of
sa
course.
GoNutrients. Una, congratulations on the
Salamat.
success of GoNutrients. At tuwang-tuwa ako
Thank you,
dahil
thank
pagkaupo ko dito, nakita ko yung coffee.
Wow.
Tingnan
Yun
natin
nga
paabot
eh.
nga ano.
Sure.
Ganda.
Ang
Si
galing.
Mark po ay naging bahagi po ng aming kwento at buhay. Ito po yung sa foundation ko, yung Make Your Nanay Proud, ng aming adhikain ay to encourage everybody to love their mothers. So, like this means a lot to me. Napaka-emotional. But maraming salamat, Mark.
Correct. And share ko lang, this is also really good na we're also helping the community.
Tama.
Not just helping entrepreneurs to have their own brand of healthy coffee, juice, capsule, and we help them from start to finish. But in return, like some of your like foundations na katulad na to, ang maganda sa GoNutrients is, di ba yung iba, may mga charity work every month or every quarter or every year. Sa amin, Titi Boy, singit ko lang really quick, we do charity work every week. Kasi we want to also give back sa community, plus helping entrepreneurs have their own product or own brand.
Sa lahat ng mga negosyo na pwede mong gawin, bakit itinayo mo ang GoNutrients?
Reasons why we started GoNutrients because a couple of years back when I wanted to have my own brand ng sariling negosyo, it was so difficult because I had to talk with 5 different companies. Number 1, to formulate yung produkto itself. Kung saan ako makap ng Chemist or Research and Development Team. Second, kung saan ako magpaprint ng box, the sachet. Third, kung sino mag-assist sa akin in terms of sa marketing. Fourth, to process yung FDA CPR ko. Fifth, itong pinaka-importante, to toll pack yung buong produkto. It took me almost 1 year para to have my own brand. So sabi ko, why not start a company that can help entrepreneurs na instead of talking to different companies, isang company na lang kausap nila. So that's why, sabi ko, nagpatayo ako ng GoNutrients, all-in-one, one-stop shop, and we help entrepreneurs from start to finish talaga.
Ganda, ang galing. So, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, pag ako'y baguhan na negosyante, ako'y nagbabalak magkaroon ng startup,
Okay.
my first business, and
Okay.
I want my own coffee. Pwede ako pumunta sa iyo.
Yes.
And what can you do for me?
Normally, if we mag-inquire sa amin, the first thing that we ask is coffee, juice, or capsule. The next question, pag sabihin niya ng coffee, we ask them, anong gusto mong benefit? Is it healthy, slimming, or whitening? Pag sabi niya gusto kong mark ng healthy coffee, from there, since we have our own chemist and research and development team, ginawa ko rin sa Tito Boy, kami gagawa ng packaging, which is yung sa the sachet, kami nagtotol pack noon. Kami na magpaprint ng box para pag-deliver sa'yo, own brand mo na. Now, singit ko lang really quick. One of the reasons why na ang daming kumukuha sa amin instead of mag-franchise or maging distributor or maging reseller, because if you have your own brand, number 1, wala ka nang binabayarang royalties. Second, ang markup mo on an average is 100 to 300%. Not to mention, ROI mo is 3 months lang. So, sobrang bilis. And the best part about having your own brand, Tito Boy, is you can sell your product not just here in the Philippines, but also abroad.
Yung product development takes a while. It's a process. Dahil halimbawa itong juice na ito. Ano itong juice na ito, Mark?
Oh, that is lychee na with collagen.
Can I taste it?
Of course,
Okay.
of course.
Halimbawa, napakasarap po.
Salamat.
No, it's really good.
Thank
It's
you.
really good. It's really
It's
good.
collagen, ha? Even though hindi mo alam pang pabata, pero it's collagen.
Ay, pampabata ito? Ay,
Collagen,
maganda siya.
Anti-aging.
Anti-aging.
Okay.
Anyway, halimbawa, pag nag-uusap tayo tungkol sa anti-aging product na juice.
Yes.
Back and forth yun. Kasi, or do we sit down in a meeting or
Okay.
2 meetings? I mean, how does the process go?
So what we normally do is we streamline na pinapaiksi ang process. Before dumating yung kliyente or yung potential na customer namin, we ask them, anong benefits ang gusto mo? Para pagdating nila dito sa Mark, gusto ko ng lychee na flavor, ang benefits is collagen. So pagdating nila dito, everything is prepared na by our R&D. So from there, pag taste test nila, ang sasabihin nila, Mark, gusto ko lang ng more flavor sa lychee. Mark, yung sweetness ng stevia, lessen lang. Then from there, in 3 to 5 days, you will have your own testing na sariling produkto mo
Na gusto ko na.
Na gusto mo na. So sobrang bilis. Sa amin, since we have trained and specialized R&D, that's why we're ISO, GMP certified to ensure na well-equipped yung mga tao naman sa training nila to ensure na mabilis, efficient, and quality products yung in-offer namin.
Kailangan maintindihan namin yung ISO at saka GNP.
Very good.
Okay.
Yung ISO is a certificate you get to ensure na you follow yung step-by-step process to provide quality and effective products. GMP naman is good manufacturing practice, so same thing.
Importante sa akin yung GNP at saka ISO dahil
Of course.
kailangan maintindihan ng mga kaibigan natin na hindi lahat nabibigyan yan. Hindi
Yes,
lahat nabibigyan ng ISO.
that
You
is
have to
true.
deserve itong mga certificates na ito
Correct.
para assurance yan sa mga lumalapit na mga kliyente sa inyo na kami, alam namin ang aming ginagawa.
Yes.
Okay. Mark, gaano ka katagal nag-antay? How'd you get ISO and GNP? The story.
Actually, it took us almost 1 year to process.
Okay.
Kasi number one, it's very tedious. The reason for that, na very happy kami na meron kaming ISO at saka GMP, is to ensure na every time na may customer na pumupunta sa amin, at least alam nila na we're getting quality products talaga. But bottom line is, it took a lot of hard work, kasama yung mga different departments, not to mention we have different consultants para ma-achieve to get yung ISO and GMP certification.
And consistency.
And
Importante
consistency.
yun eh.
Exactly.
Okay. Startup business ako.
Correct.
Baguhan ako. Meron akong isang partner. And then I want to go into, let's say, coffee. Itong coffee na
Yes.
ito. Hindi ako masyado maraming pera.
Okay.
I'll push lang GoNutrients function, ika
Okay.
nga, sa buhay ko.
Okay.
Or papel sa buhay ko. Pwede mo ba ako matulungan na, Mark, sabi mo, 3-5 months ROI.
Correct.
I don't know what to do. You know?
Okay.
Can I go to you and say, Mark, how is it done?
Yes.
Can you do that to
Yes.
me?
Ang one thing good about GoNutrients to the boy is we help them from start, or let's say entrepreneurs or like yourself,
okay.
from start to finish. Meaning to say, we also assist them sa marketing support in terms of marketing. How do you market your product mo in Facebook, IG, LinkedIn, YouTube, then how to find resellers and distributors to sell your product. Pero on your end, ang habol kasi namin is always long-term talaga.
No, ito, gusto ko talaga, Mark, puntahan kasi marami akong mga kaibigan na nagsasabi, punta ka sa GoNutrients. Bakit lapitin kayo ng mga celebrities?
Okay, one of the reasons for that is to be quite straightforward is we really maximize social media in terms of how we market our product.
Okay.
So, the more visibility we have, the more opportunities na may lumalapit. But yung pinaka-importante dito, Boy, is that this is something that we really focus on. It's the quality product talaga that we provide. Meaning to say, ang tao kasi right now, they're very smart na. Meaning to say, they won't buy something if it's not effective. Kunyari, kumuha ka ng slimming coffee sa amin. Ang effect nun is, you have an option. Gusto mo pang poop effect or mawalan ka ng gana. Now, having a slimming coffee sa amin, we ensure talaga na before kami mag-mass production, we give samples sa customer na if it's really effective. Pag sabi niya na, Mark, it's effective, that's the time we do the mass production na. So on our end, there is na binabalikan kami and nagkaroon ng referral, word of mouth, is more like the quality products that we provide.
Halimbawa, nagkasundo na tayo sa lahat,
Okay.
pati na yung packaging. Yung mass production, may requirement ba? Kailangan bang 5 milyong piraso, 1 milyon, 1,000, 2,000? Importante ho ito sa mga gustong mag-umpisa ng negosyo.
Okay, normally, ang minimum order namin is 5,000 boxes. So
kaya.
So, kayang-kaya.
Oo.
And the best part is, eto naman kasi, ang markup mo or margin mo, you're looking at
100 to 300.
Correct. Example, let's say gusto mo ng glutathione. Sa market, binibenta or 2,000 per bottle na 30 caps with label. Sa amin, nakukuha mo lang 250 or to 300. So you're looking at 500% markup, which is huge.
That's good business. Gaano nakatagal ang GoNutrients?
We've been in the business for the past 8 years na rin, Tito Boy.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
That's a
thank
lucky
you.
age.
Thank you for that, Tito Boy.
Ano yung pinaka-proud ka, Mark, na sandali bilang brainchild mo itong negosyo mong ito?
The thing that really made me proud, like sinasabi ko to sa lahat ng mga employees, is number one, sabi ko, if you're working with GoNutrients, you are making a difference sa community. So they ask, bakit? Kasi every time we deliver a product, it's not just delivering the product itself, but we're providing job livelihoods. That's why on our end, hindi ako nahinayang na every week meron kaming feeding program to help the community per different barangays. You give back to the community.
Napakalaki ng tulong ninyo sa gobyerno. Kasi ito yung pangarap ng mga LGUs, yung one-stop center where, an entrepreneur can go inside the office and then X number of minutes, you get your permit. You know the business you want. Para bagang pagkatapos ng munisipyo, I come to you and I find another one-stop shop. Na, Mark, interesado ako ng ganito. Imagine the service that you're giving to people from conception to the package.
Exactly.
Maraming salamat, Mark. Alam ko you're giving me a tour around the plant. I have a tagline for you. Mark, tara, negosyo tayo.
Let's go. Thank you, Tito Boy. Okay, so Tito Boy, eto naman yung R&D namin. So, Rachel is our department head or R&D head.
hello.
And sila yung mga R&D staff. So, what they're doing is, kunyari, ang client nagpa-formulate yung sinubukan mo kanina. So, what they do is, depende kung anong gusto ng kliyente na, Mark, increase yung lychee taste. Ito yon. So, ito yung standard. Then, yung sa sweetness, bawasan. So, ilalagay nila bits and bits of ingredients.
Nag-formulate po yung one of our R&D staff. Ang ginagawa niya, each ingredient po na kailangan per request ni client, tinitimbang niya po one by one to really make sure na na-achieve po yung recommended dosages or yung mga target ni client.
Okay. Pagkatapos dito,
Yes po. We will conduct sensory evaluation po on this part. So dito po, we check yung
sensory, ibig sabihin, titikman, aamuyin.
Yes po.
Okay, using the senses. Okay.
So next natin, Tito Boy, is kung gusto naman ng client is capsuling, fina-formulate namin yung ingredients, then eto yung sa capsuling mga machines. So, yung ingredients, nilalagay sa top, then siniseal sa capsule.
Okay.
So, yun yung fina-formulate ni R&D.
Right.
Pagpadala,
Mapupunta ngayon
kinakapsulize.
dito.
And ikinakapsulize. Yes, that's how it works.
So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa blending area, sir. Meaning po, per bag, nandito na po lahat ng ingredients na request.
Okay. So, Pia, ano itong mga bags na ito?
Ito, sir, ito na po yung mga blended powders na po. Nababa na po siya sa machine. After 45 minutes of mixing time po, ito na po siya. And ready for sachet filling na po.
Okay.
So, dito tayo right now sa mga sachet fill machine. Di ba na-blend na kanina?
Okay.
Pag blend, you have two options. Pwede i-capsulize yung katulad kanina,
Tama.
or eto, naka-sachet na. So, kunyari, gusto mo ng sarili mong brand na coffee, kami bahala sa print. We'll print this, kasi may printing machine na rin kami, and kami magpapack na rin.
You really make life easier
Correct.
for entrepreneurs.
Correct.
Kasi po problemahin mo yan, ano kayang design, paano ang
Tama.
look, anong kulay,
Tama.
You take care of all of these elements.
Okay, so Tito Boy, ang last stop natin is toll packing.
Okay.
So they pack everything na nilalagay sa box, then siniseal nila para after this, ready na for delivery.
Okay.
And kami na rin bahala, Tito Boy, mag-print ng box, ha?
Kayo din?
Yes, katulad ng sachet. So all in na kayo. Wala
Spoiled ka dito sa GoNutrients. Ang ganda naman.
Thank you, thank
So,
you.
nauunawaan na natin kung paano ang operation dito sa GoNutrients. Maraming salamat, Mark.
Thank you, Tito Boy, for coming.